In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Messenger app for Facebook Marketplace in 2025. Facebook Marketplace has become a vital tool for buying and selling locally, and Messenger is now an indispensable component of that process. Let's dive into how you can efficiently use the Messenger app to enhance your marketplace experience. To start, make sure you have the latest version of the Messenger app installed on your device. This will ensure you have access to all the latest features and security updates. Once your app is ready, open it to get started. Now look for the Messenger icon on your device's main screen and tap on it to open the app. As you land on the main interface, you'll see your recent conversations, settings, and various features laid out in front of you. What we are interested in today is accessing the Facebook Marketplace through Messenger. On the left-hand side, you should see an array of icons representing different functionalities the app offers. Among them, you'll notice a specific icon representing the marketplace. It typically resembles a storefront. Click on this icon to enter the marketplace section within Messenger. This section is essentially your gateway to all things buying and selling. Upon entering the marketplace area, you'll notice a list of customers and conversations right in front of you. This is where you're able to see who's interested in your marketplace listings. It's an intuitive way of managing your communications with potential buyers or sellers. Each chat shows the user's name and the last message exchanged, helping you keep track of the conversations easily. From here, you're able to interact with these users in several ways. For example, if you've successfully sold an item, you can mark it as sold directly from this space. This is a helpful feature to keep your listing status updated without extra effort. The app also allows you to perform necessary actions like leaving a conversation group if needed, or reporting or blocking users if you encounter any issues. If you need to reach out to someone, simply click on the conversation and type your message as you would in any standard chat. Messenger provides a seamless way to discuss details, negotiate prices, and finalize arrangements directly. Remember to always be clear and polite in your communications to facilitate smooth transactions. By following these steps, you can leverage Messenger to enhance your Facebook Marketplace experience, ensuring you remain organized and efficient. This setup means you can keep everything at your fingertips, making it easier not just to sell or buy, but to interact positively with fellow marketplace users. With these tips in mind, you are well equipped to navigate the Facebook Marketplace via Messenger. Thanks for watching, and happy buying or selling on Facebook Marketplace.